rabbit hunted today. We've got the trusty, just the old Bruno 22 with the Leopold scope of 3 to 9. I've had this since I was about 5. It's just a pretty straightforward, indestructible 22. I've brought the bog tripod, and generally all I carry is a little backpack. It's got water, ammo, knife, other little bits and pieces. Obviously just wear a hat, some sunnies. Basically what I'm doing is I'll walk through here and I'll find some rabbit warrens or a set of rabbit warrens, and I'll just set up with the tripod. I'll sit down in the shade so I've got a bit of cover, break up my silhouette with a tree maybe behind me, or sit behind some logs or rocks, and basically I'll just sit on the rabbit burrow for about 20 minutes and see if something pops out. Best thing about these is no matter what angle you're on, whether it's a hillside or whatever, or you want to sit down, you can just adjust the legs to the angle and degrees you want, clamps your gun in, so you can sit back in the shade and chill out, just wait for some rabbits to come out. Then obviously when they do, I'll try and get within 50 metres of the burrow and then shoot some rabbits. So hopefully the plan pays off and I can get some footage of doing that, some rabbits to take home. So we've set up with the 22 and the tripod, and we're just using these ferns as a bit of cover, and the rabbits have just started to come out. I'll show you the other off the camera, and we're just waiting for some bigger ones to pop out and we'll start the shooting. Keep it center of frame and I'll take out the one on the left. Hit that one too. Follow him. Tell me when you got him. Got him. Any more? Ready when you are, mate. Oh, over the top. Go again. Reload. Still there. No. Look, he's gone now. Yeah. Ready? See him behind the log? Yep. Got him. Heard that, bud. Right, it was in the hole, so we've got him out. There he is there. And now, so that's where we'll shoot him from, up here. Bit of cover in the ferns. It's about, I'll just say 40 metres. 40. And they're just everywhere. They're just making a mess. So we'll go back and sit, wait 5 minutes, and they should come back out. We'll get some more shots for you. Shoot when you're ready. It's definitely a fox. Just put it right on his nose. He's coming towards us. Wait, let him get closer. Yeah, whenever you're ready, when he stops, just shoot. Now. He's going to pop up. There he is. You got him. Hang on, hang on, hang on. Got him. It's a rustle on the trigger. These are fun. We're just sitting there waiting for rabbits to pop out. And he gets a nice fox. Good shooting, Russ. Good shooting. Alright, so when you get the hole, you make a little nick in the back, somewhere where you can put your 2 fingers in. And all you do is you just pull it apart like that, and you'll see the skin will just start to peel away. Give it a good pull. One end comes off. Grab the back legs. And this one's got a nice layer of fat through it. So what you want to do now when you get it to the front is you should be able to just pull his front leg through. There's one. It's got a really nice layer of fat. I don't think I've seen a rabbit with this much fat in him. Grab his other arm here. Pull that through. And basically you want to pull this all the way up so you've got it around his neck. Alright? And it's easy if you have it, it's not the best shot, bit of a shoulder shot. And then you just pull it off, and if you have an assistant like Russell, go over here, Russ. Grab the knife. Just make a little incision, like you just want to go around his neck like that. And what that's doing is just cutting the meat and the tendons. A little bit more, a little bit harder. And his throat, more so his throat. That's it. Alright, that'll do. And then if you just get and turn, the head will pop off and you're left with skinless without much fur on the rabbit. Right? So now all you want to do is lay it so you've got your belly. Now this is where you've got to be real careful. You don't want to pierce the guts. So if you just start from the top of the ribs, make a little incision without piercing the belly. Right? And there's a little seam that you can just run your finger down like that, and the guts will pull out, and then there's no risk of spoilage, because if you get the guts and it goes into the meat, it sort of, I find, puts an off flavour. So you just want to make sure you get all the insides, get your finger right up there, make sure you've got everything. Alright, come down, there'll be a little bit down here that you get like that, pull it all out. Alright, the last bit is I normally go on the insides of the thigh, just a little incision, get that right, clean out. Russ, if you can come back again, just grab that leg, stretch him out, one there, his tail will pop off. That's it, clean rabbit. Now, if you have the luxury of carrying around a little axe or something, you can go pop, 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 pop on the front arms and the back legs, and he's all done. Nice clean rabbit.